Uh-huh.
Oh, there's an escape room place.
What? Oh, yeah.
Crazy idea. Should we skip dessert and do an escape room instead?
Oh, I don't think we should.
You want to let the boys know the new plan?
Okay, we're doing this. I'll text Bob. Going to escape room. No gelato. Send. Oops, gelato auto-typed to genital. Oops, did it again.
Actually, this is masking tape, but I really wanted to say that.
I thought all adults snored. It's just the sound of them dying. Maybe, let nature take its course, right?
Oh, we're dying. All right, come on, you two. Off to bed. Dad and I have to fall asleep and snore at each other. Come on.
You guys have a beautiful marriage.
It has its moments.
What is this? Some kind of animal trap?